A lot of uncertainty remains over how Republican-controlled Congress will repeal and replace Obamacare, the Affordable Care Act. Dozens of people gathered tonight at an East Columbus church to hear people voice concerns over the future of health care in our country. A couple of them spoke to us about how Medicaid expansion under Obamacare has helped them stay healthy.
I was sick. I was very sick. I have Crohn's disease, and it flared up, and I was on my own. I wasn't working, so I couldn't afford to get care.
Luckily, I got that when I did, because within the first year, I had to have my gallbladder out, had these intense stomach pains, and finally ended up in the hospital overnight, had to have surgery.
Roughly 20 million Americans have obtained health care coverage through the Affordable Care Act. President Trump said last week that sometime in March, the White House will submit an initial plan to replace it.
Constituents in Ohio's 12th congressional district say they are frustrated that Republican Representative Pat Tiberi won't hold a town hall on the Affordable Care Act. So they're holding one for him tomorrow night. The group says Tiberi has been invited and they will have the town hall whether he shows up or whether he doesn't show up. Tonight, a spokeswoman for the congressman issued this statement explaining why he will not be there. It says Representative Tiberi has scheduled back-to-back meetings with constituents to discuss health care reform over the past several weeks in his Central Ohio office. These are important opportunities for Representative Tiberi to listen to their concerns, respond to them directly, and engage in a constructive conversation. The town hall is Wednesday at 7 o'clock at the First Unitarian Universalist Church in Columbus. It is open to the public.
Well,